Today we are doing revision, all right? Wait, today is not revision, sorry. Year-end, correct, year-end revision, okay? So, paper one, which you shouldn't be making mistakes because by now you must be prepared for it, okay? Want to go through this? Question one. All right, I want everyone to give me the answers over the chat function here, okay? All right. Well, I go through, yeah. Okay. All right. Question one. All right. I have Nico. Yes. Ivan, Kearney, say yes. Who else? Give me your answer chat here. Okay. So I have 80,000. So my place value is 80,000. 4,302. Okay. That's where I need to add the 2, 0, 3, 4, 8. Option number B, 3. Okay. Question number 2. The diagram shows one square of Q, side is 4 cm. Okay, so let's see here. Square Q, side is 4. You must understand what is a property for square. 4 sides are equal. Okay, so you have 4 equal sides, and each side is 4 cm. And you have a rectangle P, the breadth is 6. So for rectangle P, 6 cm for this. All right. Okay. And after that, I would have 4 cm here on my here. Okay. So what I can do is I need this 9 plus 4. This is 13. Very good. Many of them responded as B. Oh, okay. Next question. Number 3. 9, 10 minus a half. So with a 9, 10 minus a half, I change it to common denominator of 10. So I multiply by 5. So this will be 5. I have 4 out of 10. And I divide into simplest form. 2 out of 5. This is option C. Okay. Next. Right. Thank you for responding. All right. The rest are not responding. How about the rest? Okay. Type it here. Yeah. The next question onwards, I want everyone to be ready. Okay. Let me check. Question 4. Which of the following decimals is the smallest? Okay. Now, if you take a look, last time I used to have this column decimal chart. Okay. So the decimal chart actually has its value here. So this is ones value, tens value, THS, hundreds value, THS also, and thousands value. Thousand value is always the smaller one. Okay. So what do I call this space here? Can you remember? Those who are with me, you will know. We call this holding place. This holding place is empty, but you can hold X in it. Correct? So it's 0. So when you put all the 0 in, then go and check. 470, 570, 457, 547. So from here, you ignore all the 5 here. Okay, ignore all the 5 means you ignore 0.5, and you ignore 0.5. So you're left with what? 4 tenths. If you take a look at 4 tenths and 4 tenths, there's nothing to compare because they are the same value. Now you look at these 700s and 500s. Which one is the smaller one? From here, you can tell already. So this one is the smallest one, 0.457. Okay. Next question. Let's see what is next. Yes, 500ths. That one is the hundreds. Okay, so this one is 700ths. THS, okay. Okay, Shafi, 500 is with THS. Careful with the spelling. Okay, so this one is 700ths. Then this is a smaller value because this is 0.05 compared to this is 0.07. Okay. Question 5. Which of the following is both a factor of 32, a multiple of 4? So multiple of 4 means it can be divisible by 4. It is also a factor of 32. So can be divided by 32. So which one can be divided by 32? A factor of 32, sorry. The factors will be 1 times 32. I'm going to find the factors, all right? 2 multiplied by 16. We have 4 multiplied by 8. So all these factors will be numbers that can be divisible by 32. So the factors of 32, that's what I'm looking for. It will be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. All right. So at one look, you know that D is out. 56 is out. Because it must be less than 32. Right? So which of the following is a multiple of 4? So meaning timetable number 4. This is out. 7 is not in the 4 times table. Okay? So now you got to look at what? B and C. Right now. So B and C, 28 is not inside here. But 16, yes. 16 is inside here. Do you see this? So you would option number B. Very good. Wait, give me a minute. Okay. Let me put this question Q6. Okay. Let's take a look at question 7. Which of the following fractions is 1.5? Oh, okay. So you see, this one, remember I say you can make it into mix. This is called improper fraction, right? Okay, maybe I will try to do it in the what do you call that? In the teaching slide for you. I insert something. Okay, 1.5. All right. Now, he wants it to be 1.5. You have things like 3/2. 3/2, we call them improper fraction. Okay. Now, how to convert this into a fraction? Because the number is small. But if the number is big, then you will have a hard time looking at it. So you can use long division. Okay. Using long division, you can do this. This is 3 divided by 2. Then when you do long division, you don't know how. Then you have this, you can remember. We call this inside. Call this outside. So now, so 3/2. Then from here, I transform like transformer like that. 3/2. So same one. Inside, outside. What is inside, outside? Inside means you put inside the long division. 2 is outside because you divide that by 2. Okay, a lot of students do this, thinking this is 2, then put here 2 inside, outside. Okay, then they say 3 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2. A lot of people make this mistake, so don't. Okay, so 2 divided by 3 divided by 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, now leave it like that. I want to show you a method how to remember. Always circle, circle, circle. Now, like a water cycle like that. You all learn water cycle, you got arrow up, arrow up. So this is a quotient. The first one is 1, then 1 over 2. Okay? Quotient, remainder, dividend. So this one is called the quotient. Quotient will come here. Quotient will be coming here. Remainder, right? Where's the remainder? 1. So remainder is 1. Maybe I use another color to do remainder. Okay, so this is remainder. So where will the remainder be? The remainder will be here, lor. Okay, so denominator is 2. So I have 1 whole half. Okay, so this is how you change it into a mixed number. What do we call this? Change it into mixed number. All right, because we have 4 options in the question. If you take a look, the second question you all have in the question is another example. I choose to do this, okay? Green color maybe. All right, for example, we try it out, okay? Try it out. Second option is option 2. What do you have? 4 out of 3. So 4 out of 3 means 4 divided by 3. 4 divided by 3 inside, outside. Quotient, remainder. Circle, 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 cycle, like a water cycle. So it's 1 whole 1 over 3. Quotient, remainder, 1 out of 3. Okay? Maybe I don't put the option 2, I say try it out. All right. So you all know how to do 7 out of 4. Okay, we try another slide. Okay, maybe we key in another. Oh, here. Copy paste. Okay, we try 2 more. The option was 7 out of 4. Okay, 7 out of 4 equals to 7 divided by 4 equals to inside, outside. So you do this. Circle, 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 like a water cycle. 1, 3, 4. 1 whole 3 out of 4. Okay. Wait, let me check who is. Okay. So far, so good. Then the last option, 8 divided by 5. Okay, let me see. 8 divided by 5. Okay. So we have 8 divided by 5. You try it out and tell me what is the answer using inside-outside method. Okay, everybody, are you ready? Chat function. 8 out of 5. Okay. Try this. 8 out of 5. So improper. Use this method. Okay. Try it out. 8 out of 5. Change this to 3. Circle, circle.